Making sense of attachments and enclosures. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to delve into the world of formal communication, specifically focusing on email and letter writing. One of the key elements we'll be discussing is how to correctly reference attachments and enclosures. This might sound complicated, but don't worry, by the end of this video, it will all make perfect sense to you. So, let's get started. Firstly, it's important to understand what attachments and enclosures are. In emails, we use the term attachment. An attachment is a document that is sent along with the email. For example, it could be a Word document, a PDF file, or an image. In contrast, in traditional letters, we use the term enclosure. An enclosure refers to any additional documents that are included with the letter, typically in the same envelope. So, remember, attachments for emails, enclosures for letters. Referencing attachments is a crucial part of email writing. It directs the recipient's attention to the file or document you've included. There are several ways to do this. Method 1. You can write, "Please see the attached name of the file," or "I have attached name of the file" for your reference. Method 2. If you are attaching multiple files, you can say, "Please find the attached files." Method 3. For a more casual tone, you can simply say, "See attached." Remember, it's essential to be as clear as possible when referring to attachments. Just like attachments in emails, enclosures in letters need to be correctly referenced too. Here's how to do it. Method 1. You can write, "Enclosed please. I am enclosing," name or description of the document. Method alternatively, you could say, 3. For multiple enclosures, you can write, "Enclosed please find the following documents," and then list the documents. It's all about clarity and making sure the recipient knows what to expect in the envelope. And that wraps up our discussion on referencing attachments and enclosures. Remember, the goal is always to make your communication as clear and precise as possible. Whether you're sending an email or a traditional letter, don't forget to properly refer to any additional documents you include. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in how your message is received. I hope this video was helpful, and you now feel more confident in your writing skills. Keep practicing, and you'll master this in no time. Until next time, happy writing!